Tyler, we are live.
What's up, guys? This is Tyler. I'm with Incredible Tiny Homes. We just finished up decorating the 8x20 that we got down here that we're going to show everybody. We're doing a show tomorrow. Starts at 10 a.m. We are at England Brothers. What is it? England Brothers Park, right?
In Pinellas
Park.
Yeah.
Here in Florida. So come out tomorrow at 10 a.m. and see us. So we're going to walk around and do a little bit of check out the inside.
So what are we looking at here?
This is the 8x20. This one right here is completely off-grid, so you can take this thing middle side of a mountain anywhere and live perfectly fine. You've got your water catchment on the front. This one does have a mini split, and we also did the
egress window,
the picture window on the side, and an egress window in the loft, which are all additional add-ons that you can do.
And Tyler, if it's not off-grid, just what is the regular price of this home, this 8x20?
The regular price of the 8x20 is $25,000.
Okay.
So you can go up from there. You go $32,500 for your solar, $37,500 for full off-grid, and then your additional add-ons like your egress window and your bay window.
Yeah, this is beautiful. Does it come with that picture window in the front?
They do not. No,
okay.
That is an additional add-on. It is it's a $1,000 add-on, I believe. The egress window is a $1,000 add-on, of course, too. But the egress window I always recommend, especially if you or anyone is going to sleep in that loft. You always want to have 2 points of an exit, and that's going to do that for you.
Can we take a look at the inside?
Let's do it. This sweet paint job Tim did.
Beautiful. Who did this? The door especially. The door is gorgeous. Wow.
All right.
This seems bigger on the inside.
It is. So you've got another 4 foot of length, another foot of height. We did extend the loft area, so you got about you can fit a full-size bed up there now.
Full-size mattress.
Yeah,
okay.
full-size mattress. There is the egress window we're talking about. This is your picture window. So this is what the home. These windows are what would normally go here. So this window would be the same here.
Wow.
This is an additional.
This is a lot of light in here, Tyler.
It's awesome, but if you want more light, we do also offer a bay window. So we can do a bay window. You got about 14 inches of seating space back here. If you like to read, sit in the window, put some pillows out, whatever you want to do with it.
Now, this is fully off-grid, but explain to me behind you, I see the wood-burning stove. How does that work?
Yep, so that is something that we are working on and trying to offer. It is going to be a wood stove. So it'll be ran, your pipes will be ran, so it'll be ready to go as soon as you get to home. So you can throw a piece of wood in there and boom.
Wow, I mean, this is gorgeous. So all the important stuff's taken care of. Your outlets, beautiful floor, by the way.
Yeah, and come on in this way and look up here. That's the mini split unit that we've added in here. That is heat and air. So you go ahead and kill 2 birds with 1 stone. You don't need no window.
So I noticed they have 2 batteries. It comes with 1 battery, but you can add up to 4, correct?
They are 1,800 a piece. You can add up to 4. We need to do the 2 on this one.
So with that AC and heating, you're set. You can live in this no problem.
Yeah, it's ready to go.
2 batteries, you're good.
It is ready to go. These will obviously now all come standard with this flip down counter, which is awesome. The space is awesome that you can use here. So come right over here. Here is our interior ceramic heater. This thing is awesome. It takes a little while to get hot, but once it gets hot, it stays hot.
And this is only, I think, like $300, right?
It's super cheap, and it's the way to go. So you can use this anytime throughout the day. It's very good on electricity. It doesn't use a lot of electricity, so it's awesome.
And so behind you, that space, that was designed, I think, for a 10 cubic foot apartment-sized refrigerator.
Correct.
But you could use it as a closet.
Yeah, whatever you want to do.
Yeah, and you could put actually a underneath refrigerator here, or even theoretically a washer dryer, right?
Right, correct.
Yeah.
So these things are practically ready to go. They are DIY, so you still do have to paint your interior walls, exterior walls. You can stucco them.
But you don't have to do anything if you don't want to.
You don't have to, but they do. This is how it's going to come. As far as all of this is what you see is what you would get. Right over here, this one does, where it is off-grid, which this comes standard with off-grid, is the tankless water heater. So
nice. So you're not going to run out of hot water. You have a 100-gallon tank,
as long as you have propane gas, this thing, you have hot water for as long as.
And then you don't, no sewage. You're hooked up to a compost here.
So, yep, full compost. Here is all your solar equipment right here. So there's all your whole setup right here.
Wow. And
so
do
it's
we have
very quiet.
A bath or shower?
Yep, right here we do. They come standard with a 36-inch shower now, which gives you plenty of space.
Wow.
But this thing is unlike no other tiny house. Most of them feel cramped. This thing is just wide open.
So you could put here a full or even a queen size bed and have room to walk around and make the bed.
Correct.
And if you wanted to, we will support. You could get a ladder and you could have a full size mattress upstairs.
And that would be the ladder. Would be a wood ladder if we do decide to offer that. We are not going to do the pipe ladder for now.
Okay.
It's just too costly. So we decided not to go that route.
Wow.
But-
So if I didn't get the off grid, this entire house, as we see it, is only $25,000.
$25,000. So you can have a fully livable home for $25,000. You can take this thing anywhere, plug it up to any electricity, your water, everything is there.
All right. So where are we going to be? Where are we right
in
now?
Borthers Park, here in Pinellas Park,
And we're going to be
Florida.
here all weekend.
All weekend, starting tomorrow at 10 a.m.
And if you come here in person and you buy a home this weekend, can we get any kind of a discount?
Yes. If you come see us tomorrow or
We'll make a
Sunday,
deal. We'll make a
We
deal.
will make a deal. We will make it worth your while. So just come and check us out. Come see us. Just come hang out with us if you
All right. Sounds good. Thank you.
Yep.